Sorry that I have not uploaded for a while. My storage ran out a while ago and it was hard to get back. So, hope you guys understand, but this is a little bit of an update. My cat Sassy. If you watched the first video, my cat Sassy is pregnant. My cat is pregnant, which is the name. Well, I just heard a little grumble. She is probably in my dresser, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'm just gonna go on Pokemon Go. It is really late at night. It is 2 something, because the time up here is not right. It's a very old phone. It's my mom's spare phone, if you're wondering. Because my other phone, I kind of dropped it, so, and it shattered. So, okay. My person is, sorry for the name, it's just, I couldn't get anything else. It's because it was spaz, and I got these so far because my mom's spare phone. Oh, I'm so worried about my other phone, guys. I don't know what to do. And sorry for the ads. I'm terribly sorry. There's an old phone that I do not get. So, my cat Sassy, it's been 9 weeks. And I am so worried for my little fluffy cons. Oh my gosh. Guys, please write in the comment down below, comment section down below to say if you have a pregnant cat or kittens, because I would love to know that. And yeah, sorry I haven't been on for a while. I had to go somewhere and my friend was sleeping over and had to go somewhere, and it's been just mind-blowing this week. So, if you hear that sound that I just made, that will be my cat Sassy and she'll go into labor. But my mom is thinking of a couple more days till my cat gives birth. Oh, if you see the background, that is my cat. That's my kitten Oscar that I have. And I think I have another. I think I have another. Where is it? And yes, guys, I play as different people in Minecraft just to make it a little bit more interesting. Because, well, if you see this picture at the top, that was my cousin's birthday a couple of days ago. I am obsessed with Five Nights at Freddy's. So, this is my brother's kitten, Bella. She is so freaking adorable. So, if you're wondering why she's a black cat, she's not harmless. Actually, black cats are good luck, not bad luck. Black cats are only used to protect witches. So, there may be a wild cat that got my cat pregnant. And sorry if I still sound like a little bit bad. It's just my throat. I haven't been feeling well for the past couple of weeks. I am terribly sorry. And yeah. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I am terribly sorry for not doing it. Ugh. Guys, just thank you for the views. I couldn't be much happier because I see everyone else's new YouTube channel and they have more than me. And I haven't uploaded in a while and I still don't have a lot. But just saying, my birthday is January 17th. Just to let you know. So I'm going to end this video here. Well, I'm going to do my outro. A new one. See you later, kitten gamers.